Hey guys, it's Talia, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. It's Freya. So today I'm doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. We just filmed a video on Freya's channel, which will obviously be link in description, all that jazz. And she did my makeup. But like,
it looks great.
It was an interesting look.
That pause was it was interesting.
But she obviously wasn't blindfolded. So I'm now gonna do, I've obviously already done her makeup, like full glam. If you haven't seen that already, again, link in description. But I'm gonna stick on a blindfold. Probably shouldn't have worn lashes, I just realised.
Yeah.
Freya's gonna mix everything up, so I don't know where everything is, because obviously certain things I'm not gonna know what they feel like.
I'm nervous because I might not have an eye by the end of the video.
Yeah, Freya's also, she's got mascara on because we're not trying to like blind her.
Yeah.
So that has already been done, just a little disclaimer.
I haven't done brows though, so.
Okay, right.
Need to do that. I'm excited.
Go wrong.
I mean, I think I'm gonna look great, so I'm buzzing. So, blindfold goes on.
I'm also gonna have to keep my eyes closed.
Yeah, you need to keep your eyes flat.
This is sad.
What?
I shouldn't have done my makeup. Don't really know why I did it.
Can't see underneath?
I can, but my eyes are closed.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna swirl it all around now.
So I'm gonna start by priming. If I can find the damn primer.
Do you reckon we should have the camera lower?
What, so they can see the table?
Yeah.
Maybe. Do you want to move the camera? I'm just going to chill here, guys, while Freya resets up. So we're going to pump some. I just washed my hands by the way as well.
Okay, cool.
3 pumps. I'm going to massage this into Freya's face. That's about Freya. Where is your... What is that?
That's my cheek.
Go.
Oh. Okay. What does it feel like?
A face. Do you know what the good thing about Freya is actually? Because she's got like peng cheekbones.
Oh god.
I can feel them. So I know where I am on your face. You know? I'm gonna go foundation first. I know I normally do eyes and brows, but obviously I don't know where your brows are, so when I put foundation on, I'm probably gonna cover them back up. Flippin' hell! Oh.
Hey.
Where's your sponge? Because we need your sponge for this one. So we've got 2 different sponges. I've got my sponge for concealer because I know that I might mix up concealer and liquid lipstick, and obviously I've got like 3 million sponges, so I don't mind if I ruin one, whereas I don't want to ruin Freya's sponge. Yeah, this is a safer option. I don't know how much is on there. Is there anything on there?
Yeah, you've just rubbed it all in.
Oh. This is going so wrong. I also don't know how much.
Oh, you went in my eye. I'm just gonna have my eyes closed, just in case.
Oh. Where are you thinking?
I can hear like there's so much product. It's like my nose, mate.
I was like, what's happening? Oh, there's the nose again. Oh, there's your eye. Can you hear that? I can hear you like just laughing to yourself like, what is she doing? Now I'm gonna go for concealer under the eyes.
Okay.
Maybe.
Yeah, I mean, let's see.
That feels a bit long to be concealer. Is that a bit thin to be concealer? I don't know what that is. Because if I smell it, I know what my liquid... Although Anastasia doesn't have a scent in the liquid lipstick, so never mind. That is a concealer. I'm pretty confident that is concealer, but I'm really worried it's going to be the bright pink one. I'm torn between these 2.
I mean, I'm not gonna...
This one's longer, so maybe this is a liquid lipstick. But then I feel like the naked skin is... I'm going to do it anyway. Okay. I don't like your laugh!
No, what? Isn't it? I'm just excited now. I can't wait to be concealed.
Why are you laughing? This is a concealer, is it?
Oh no, I can't say.
The thing is, if it's not concealer, I'm going to have like foundation in a liquid lipstick, which is going to be kind of gross. Just, you know, get rid of all that. You're also supposed to put this down the nose.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just put it on the tip of the nose
Yeah,
because you only want to highlight a little.
Yeah, just a little.
I don't know what your nose is.
Blend that out nicely. No, you're not using that one.
Oh, it's liquid lipstick! No, what does it look like? Okay, so now I'm going to put some powder. Is that my face powder? No, that's Ofra. That's just face powder. That is the Pure Minerals one. Where's your face? Come to mama. It's really weird when it's a brush because I can't feel if I'm hitting anything.
Oh, you're definitely hitting something.
Okay.
Firmly shut.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, I mean, I felt like my hair needed some powder as
Oh,
well.
sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, we're now going to put some bronzer on. Brow pomade. Okay, well this is bronzer. This is the one I didn't want to use though. Because look how orange it is.
Oh, there's actually not another one.
Oh, okay. Well, we're doing this. Trying to find your... there she is. That cheekbone though. Face is not set. I did not set this properly.
Is it sticky?
Yep.
Yeah.
Blush. Oh,
Oh, sorry, that was my
actually, do you know what? No, I'm going to go for this because I don't know the order of the shades. I think the lightest one's there.
I mean, so far so good, that's all I'm saying.
I hear the sarcasm.
No.
No,
That's
I
great.
don't.
What are you trying to find?
Brush.
What one?
Blush. Yeah. Okay.
Ooh. You're going for both.
Yeah, I'm mixing in it. I always know where Freya's cheekbones are. Do eyebrows. Haven't even done that yet. I think that might be Freya's brow.
Mm-hmm.
Is it double-sided? What is happening? Yo! What is happening? You sharpened one side, like both sides.
Hmm? One side. No, I'm not going to give you any.
One side's what?
I'm not going to tell you.
I'm using this side
Okay.
because this is the side with the brush. So this is the special side.
Mm.
This is gonna go awfully.
This is going to go.
So we're gonna go for it. Do you know what?
Whoa, you drew it well long.
Yeah, that felt really far. I felt like my hand just didn't stop. Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks great.
You're a liar.
Okay, fine. That's
They're beautiful. Right, now eyeshadow. Pretty sure that is a white. That is a gold.
you little psycho. Okay.
Then I've got like a light
I'm not going to tell you
brown,
actually
a
anymore.
red brown, the black's down there. I've got two brushes. So I'm going to go in with the white shade first. That's great. I'm just going to go with this white shade here.
Yeah, that was just me.
Do you know what's really throwing me off? Because I've also got my eyes closed under here. I feel really disoriented. Why are you laughing?
No.
Where did I put it?
No, you didn't do anything.
Okay. This is the light brown, I believe.
Okay.
So we're going to put this in the eyebrow. So that really good. The shade next to, I believe that's black, and I believe that's like an aubergine, like a dark purple.
So what are we going for?
Well, that's black, so the aubergine.
We're going for the aubergine.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank God for that.
You use black on my inner corner.
You look
with
good.
sight.
Outer corner / brow. Yeah, it works.
Do you know what? What is that?
What is that?
What is that? Oh, what was it?
You were stabbing my fucking cheek like here.
What was your forehead? Okay, I'm now gonna go back in. Maybe this brush.
What does that do?
Whatever you want it.
Yeah.
Get the gold shade, which is this one here. They're probably gonna have bare fingerprints on your face.
Yeah, I know. I just imagine it like on my forehead, like bare little Talia little prints. Thanks for the effort in the blending, by the way.
You're welcome. Oh no, I'm gonna go in with magic afterwards,
Magic.
and then just
Oh, okay. And then it's gonna look really good.
yeah, I just did it.
Oh, right.
Eyeliner. I can hear the stress in your breathing.
Oh my god, I'm terrified of this. She's gonna come at me with a stick of blackness into my eyes. I'm a little bit nervous.
Give me your eyeball.
Okay, take your time, innit? Take your time.
Time's boring, isn't it? Eyeliner.
Is that it? Have you done?
Yeah. Oh yeah, your lower lash line.
What are we doing with that?
Put an eyeshadow on it.
Put that over there, mate.
I don't know why you're pointing. Definitely can't see where you pointed. Do you know what?
Do you know what?
Go ahead.
Me and I go for both.
Oh, I just tapped it in something else trying to be cocky. Look up for me. Actually, no, do you know what? Close your eyes. Let me find your eyes, then you can like figure out what's going on. Yeah, that works.
Painted onto my eyelash.
Did I? Now, got to do a bit of highlight. I didn't use that. I forgot. Oh, it's contour. Do you know what? Oh.
What? This is against your rules.
No, it's not.
You don't contour right at this stage. You contour earlier, don't
I
you?
can contour whenever I want, as long as I've powdered. Don't tell me what to do. There she is.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh. Now you're sufficiently contoured. Highlight. Back to highlight.
These brows are mad.
They that good. So this is Ofra, I believe. Use code Talia 30 to save 30%.
Hashtag promo.
Hashtag the blog. Ooh, girl! I can feel it blinding me from here. Bam! What's the highlight saying?
Yeah.
How do I blush?
Fabulous.
Alright, okay, it's time for lipstick, guys.
So what one?
This
Oh,
one.
okay.
I just literally just dropped every single thing apart from... That is not unscrewing like a liquid lipstick.
What do you mean? What does a liquid lipstick sound like?
Wait. That's concealer. No, it's not.
Honey, you do you.
I'm gonna do this one. I don't think this one is.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, this is going awfully. It's a bit of a cupid's bow. I think I'm done. Do I get to see it now? Have I done everything? Contour, bronzer, highlight, blush, eyebrows, face. Did I punch your forehead? Maybe. Yeah, I did. Of course, I've got your hair, remember. Lips. I'm done.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Mm.
Before I look at you, I just want to sort out my
Yeah, that's
face.
fine. You sort out your face because that's really, really important right
Yeah,
now.
it really is. These lashes, man. I've like cried black down my face. I'm ready. Oh my god! Freya, I'm sorry.
It was when you started going down here with the lips. I was like, my lips ain't that big, love. They are small lips.
I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Hold on.
Oh, great.
Pan up.
Great.
Freya looks so unimpressed. Your highlights pop in.
Yeah.
Eyeshadow.
What would you change? Is there anything you'd change?
The only thing I managed to do okay was highlight. The foundation's quite blended actually.
Is it? I can't really see the foundation from here, not gonna lie.
No, yeah. Do you want a mirror? Do you want to see what you look
yeah.
up close?
Jesus. Yeah, look, this bit, you...
Yeah, what did I do? Wait, hold on. Let me.
So with the white, on this eye, you put it here.
Oh.
Yeah. So I was like, yeah, great.
I did not know that. I was wondering why you were laughing. I was like, how did I get that wrong?
You were right about the fingerprints.
Oh, yeah. That is it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Become a member of this little family thing we've going on. It'd be so lovely if you joined. Also, if you want to keep up with me outside of YouTube and Freya, then our socials are Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter, obviously, and they are here. So make sure you follow us both. And before you, say goodbye, obviously we did a video over on Freya's channel. So make sure you go and watch that. She did my makeup, not blindfolded, but... Well,
I mean, I thought it was really good.
So make sure you head over there and make sure you subscribe to Freya while you're there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye!
Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead, get gone.